Hey guys, it's time to talk about the next Huawei P family. A casemaker has published new renders which showcase the Huawei P20 or P11. We still do not know its name for sure as the company has still not confirmed it. The flagship is enclosed in a cover, so we cannot see its entire design, but from these renders we can notice important details of the handset. The most innovative feature that is possible to see in these renders is the presence of a triple camera setup, which is placed in a vertical configuration. Under the cameras, there is a dual LED flash, while near the flash, there seems to be a laser autofocus sensor. This is the second such triple camera case renders we are seeing in the past couple of days. On the front side of the average Huawei P20, there is a borderless display with an 18 by 9 aspect ratio. On the upper part, there is a 3.5mm audio jack. It seems that the company has decided not to ditch it like Apple did with its last generation iPhones. The case also shows that there is a charging port at the bottom and two holes on its side for the speakers. Maybe it's a stereo speaker. And we cannot see any fingerprint reader on the body of the phone. This could mean that there might be an under-display fingerprint scanner, the one launched by Snaptics. It has been confirmed that Huawei P20 will not be showcased at MWC 2018 in Barcelona. There will be a dedicated event which will be held in Paris on March 27th. The Huawei P20 should be released in at least three variants: Standard one, Plus one, and Lite. According to a leak, there will be a Pro version as well, which will sport an iPhone 10-like notch on the display. The standard version, together with the Plus and LH Pro ones, will be powered by the Kirin 970 processor with AI. So now let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, then thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for the upcoming daily tech videos. And I'll catch you guys next one. See you soon.